Hello beautiful people, I'm so excited to show you my mini room makeover. I don't particularly not like the style of my bedroom that I had. It was more that it was kind of just a mash of so many different styles that I kind of just kept putting things in my room and it wasn't really what I wanted. Like I just hung up my drawings on the wall and put my headboard together and just put it on the wall as it is, and I wasn't really happy with the overall look. So I'm going to show you guys how I actually did this on a budget. It was really cheap. It only cost a couple $100s to do this whole renovation, and it looks exactly how I wanted it to look at the end of it. So I'm going to show you guys how I did it. A mini hack I found was you can actually use laminate floorboards and bond them together, and then my father and I took wooden planks and we nailed and glued on strips that acted as a brace, so it actually holds the floorboards together, and that actually is a very cheap alternative to getting a headboard. So this is just the Target white planks. A second hack was this little bedside table. It initially came with just a plain white countertop, but I took laminate, which is just a vinyl adhesive roll from Kmart, which was only $3, and then I put that over the top to give a marble look. And then on the inside, these grass baskets were an orangey colour, but then I just painted the outsides with a bit of paint. And yeah, it looks really nice and it actually blends well with the colour scheme. And now I'm going to show you guys how it looks after me doing a few changes. So this is my bedroom after I've done these really affordable changes. I also got a little plant outside and put it in a pot that I painted white. And yeah, I just really like the white and contrasting colour scheme. I kept one of my drawings on the wall just because it kind of blended in with the decor, which I'm really happy about, the little baskets as well. And I also made a pillowcase out of an old towel, just because it's a lot cheaper than buying a textured pillowcase. I just put that through a sewing machine. And I hung up all the beautiful dream catchers. If you guys are new to my channel, I make custom made dream catchers, so I would love to make a custom order. Just check out the links down below. And this is my affordable bedroom makeover. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please give it a big like and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a lovely week. Bye!